Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. I want to take a few minutes and show you a brand new Sea Ray that just arrived. This is the Sea Ray 21 SPX OB model, OB standing for Outboard. You'll see that it's in this really nice new color this year called Lagoon Blue. And note that it does come with the matching trailer for this boat. Really pretty color on this boat with the white and the black bimini. It does have some sea deck here on the back swim platforms, which is a nice added touch. It's equipped with the Mercury V6 200 horsepower motor in black, which gives it that really kind of a race appeal. This boat does come with 37 gallons of fuel, so that's plenty of fuel to go out on the weekend, go to the island, go watch your sunsets, just do a lot of different things. But let's climb aboard and look at some other features. Okay everyone, Kenny Brown here. Here we are aboard this brand new 2024 Sea Ray 21 SPX OB, standing for Outboard model. I'm standing back here on the transom. You can see with the nice sea deck appointments, you can walk across. You've got your ski tow pylon here for tubing and skiing. As I walk and step down into the cockpit area, you'll notice you've got two storage compartments here. Look at this sun lounge here in the back. I really want to point this out. It has a couple of neat features. Number one, you can lift this up when you're at the island and sit facing aft, which is very nice, okay? As well as you can lift this up completely and look at the enormous amount of storage area down here. I could literally hop my whole body down there and close this thing. A great place to put all your tubes, all your water toys, etc. You'll notice also here you got more storage over here. You've got a designated cooler place down here, as well as a drainable cooler here that drains overboard. You've got your ski locker here, plenty more room to put long skis and so forth. Nice appointments here with the nice Sea Ray bucket seats that have the Coleman bolsters. So why are bolsters important? Because when you're going out or coming into the dock, you can sit up and see over everything instead of sitting down. Now this boat is equipped with the upgraded Premier entertainment package with subwoofers and Fusion stereo and speakers, as well as your integrated flat screen Simrad GPS sonar chart plotter with bottom machine. You've got so many neat features. You've got a glove box here, more storage up underneath here, as well as when you're out, if you get some elements and you need to close the windshield and completely block it off, you could do that. Also look at the enormous bow sun lounge. I mean, I can get down here and just relax whichever way I'd like to go. And at my size, I still got room to really lay out. So folks, this is a great boat just to do a lot of different things. Love going to watch the sunset, spending the weekend at the island with family and friends, going to have lunch, going to have dinner. So I urge you, come by. You can ask for me, Kenny Brown, here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. It'll be my pleasure to show you this boat. It is a great boat, and I look forward to showing it to you. So thank you, and remember, it's all about making memories on the water.